What if everything you believe about reality is incomplete? Science has given us incredible answers about the universe. It explains gravity, time, light, and the very building blocks of matter. Yet throughout history, there have been moments so strange, so baffling, that even the brightest minds struggled to explain them. Some of these mysteries remain unsolved to this day. Others challenge our understanding of physics itself. Today, we explore 10 moments when reality seemed to break the laws of science. On the 13th of October, 1917, thousands of people gathered near Fatima, Portugal. Many had come to witness a miracle predicted by 3 young shepherd children. As rain poured from the sky, witnesses suddenly claimed that the clouds parted and the sun began to move. Some described it as spinning like a wheel. Others said it zigzagged across the sky and changed colors. The most astonishing claim was that the sun appeared to plunge toward Earth before returning to its normal position. Reports came from believers, skeptics, journalists, and even scientists who were present. Yet observatories around the world detected nothing unusual. If the sun had truly moved, the consequences would have been catastrophic. What exactly did thousands of people see that day? More than a century later, no scientific explanation fully satisfies everyone. Number 9. Ball lightning. Imagine a glowing sphere floating silently through the air. It drifts through windows, hovers above fields, and sometimes explodes without warning. This phenomenon is known as ball lightning. For centuries, people reported seeing mysterious glowing orbs during thunderstorms. Scientists dismissed many accounts as myths or optical illusions. Then came modern reports from pilots, military personnel, and trained observers. Some balls have reportedly moved through solid objects without leaving damage. Others lasted several seconds before vanishing. Despite advances in atmospheric science, researchers still struggle to recreate stable ball lightning under controlled conditions. It remains one of nature's strangest and most elusive mysteries. Number 8. The WOW signal. In 1977, astronomer Jerry Amon was reviewing data from a radio telescope in Ohio. Suddenly, he noticed an incredibly strong signal coming from deep space. The signal lasted 72 seconds. It was unlike anything researchers had seen before. Shocked by the discovery, Amon circled the data and wrote one word beside it. Wow. The mysterious transmission appeared to originate from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. Scientists searched for the source again and again. Nothing. The signal never returned. To this day, no one knows exactly what created it. Was it a natural cosmic event? A rare astronomical phenomenon? Or something far more extraordinary? The mystery remains unsolved. Number 7. The place where gravity seems wrong. In northern Canada lies an area once known as the Hudson Bay Gravity Anomaly. Scientists discovered that gravity there appeared weaker than expected. Objects weighed slightly less than they should. The difference was small but measurable. For years, researchers struggled to understand why. Gravity was supposed to follow predictable rules. Eventually, satellite studies suggested that ancient geological processes and the remnants of massive ice sheets might be responsible. Yet for decades, this region stood as a reminder that even gravity can surprise us. The universe is often stranger than our equations predict.
Number 6. The Hessdalen Lights. Deep within a remote valley in Norway, strange lights have appeared for decades. Witnesses describe glowing spheres moving silently across the sky. Some hover motionless. Others accelerate at incredible speeds. The lights can appear white, yellow, or red. Unlike many unexplained phenomena, scientists have actively studied the Hessdalen Lights. Cameras, radar systems, and scientific instruments have recorded them. Yet no single explanation accounts for every observation. Some researchers suspect unusual plasma formations. Others believe rare geological processes may be involved. Whatever they are, these mysterious lights continue to challenge conventional understanding. Number 5. The double-slit experiment. This may be the most disturbing scientific discovery ever made. In the famous double-slit experiment, particles such as electrons behave differently depending on whether they are being observed. When scientists do not measure their path, the particles act like waves. When scientists observe them, they behave like solid particles. It is as though reality itself changes when watched. This bizarre result has been confirmed countless times. Quantum physics relies on it. Yet nobody fully understands why. Some physicists have called it the greatest mystery in science, because it suggests that observation plays a role in shaping reality itself. Number 4. The Tunguska Explosion. In 1908, a massive explosion shook Siberia. The blast flattened more than 80 million trees across hundreds of square miles. Witnesses reported a fireball streaking across the sky. The shockwave was detected around the world. Scientists later estimated that the explosion released energy comparable to a powerful nuclear weapon. Yet there was one problem. No impact crater existed. No obvious remains of the object were found. Most researchers believe a meteor exploded in the atmosphere. But the lack of physical evidence fueled decades of speculation. More than a century later, Tunguska remains one of history's most mysterious cosmic events. Number 3. The Pioneer Anomaly. In the 1970s, NASA launched 2 spacecraft known as Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11. As they traveled beyond the solar system, scientists noticed something unexpected. The spacecraft appeared to be slowing down slightly. The effect was tiny but persistent. According to calculations, they should not have behaved this way. For years, physicists debated whether the anomaly hinted at new laws of physics. Could gravity work differently across vast distances? Was something unknown pulling on the spacecraft? Eventually, researchers proposed that uneven heat radiation from the spacecraft likely caused the effect. Yet the mystery sparked serious questions about our understanding of the cosmos.
Number 2. Quantum entanglement. Albert Einstein hated this phenomenon. He famously called it spooky action at a distance. When 2 particles become entangled, they remain connected regardless of how far apart they are. Change one particle, and the other appears to respond instantly, even if they are separated by enormous distances. According to classical physics, this should be impossible. Nothing should travel faster than light. Yet experiments repeatedly confirm that entanglement is real. It does not allow communication faster than light, but it reveals a level of interconnectedness that challenges our deepest assumptions about reality. Even today, quantum entanglement remains one of the strangest features of the universe. Number 1, the Mandela Effect. What if your memories are wrong? Or what if reality itself has changed? Millions of people remember events, names, logos, and even famous quotes differently from how they actually exist. This phenomenon became known as the Mandela Effect. Many people incorrectly remember Nelson Mandela dying in prison decades before he actually died. Others recall famous movie lines that were never spoken the way they remember them. Psychologists explain the effect through false memories and the brain's tendency to reconstruct information. Yet the sheer number of shared, misremembered details fascinates millions worldwide. It raises an unsettling question. How much of what we call reality is actually shaped by memory? And if our memories can be altered so easily, can we ever be completely certain about the world around us?